10 Foods that Restore Muscle Strength After 60 Secrets to Stay Strong and Independent. We age. There are many changes that occur in the body. While some are more noticeable, others happen gradually and silently. One of the most critical changes that many adults face is muscle loss, which becomes especially evident after the age of 60. But what if I told you that muscle loss doesn't have to be inevitable? In fact, there are powerful foods you can incorporate into your diet to not only slow this decline but help rebuild muscle, even well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. In today's video, we will uncover the 10 best science-backed foods that can help you maintain and restore muscle strength. These foods, supported by groundbreaking research, can drastically improve your ability to move, stay balanced, and live independently. So, if you're over 60 and you want to safeguard your strength, stick around and let's dive into these incredible muscle-preserving foods. The silent decline. Understanding sarcopenia. You may feel healthy today, walking around, bending, even carrying your groceries. But what's happening inside your body? After the age of 60, muscle mass naturally begins to decline. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects millions of older adults, yet it's often silent and goes unnoticed until the consequences become much more serious. In fact, studies show that seniors can lose up to 1/3 of their muscle mass as they age, with no immediate signs. Sarcopenia isn't just about losing muscle, it impacts your balance, independence, and quality of life. Without strong muscles, you might find it harder to get out of a chair, and something as simple as a small trip can result in a fall or even a hip fracture. However, here's the good news: it's not too late to take action. You can slow, stop, or even reverse muscle loss by adding the right foods to your diet. 1. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. Greek yogurt is more than just a delicious snack. It's an extraordinary source of high-quality protein, which is exactly what your body needs to maintain muscle mass as you age. Greek yogurt contains nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, with up to 20 grams of protein per serving. This is essential for seniors because after 60, your body's ability to use protein to rebuild muscle starts to decline. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that continuously feeds your muscles for hours, making it a great choice before bedtime when your muscles are more vulnerable to breakdown. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is packed with calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, key nutrients that not only support bone health but also help with muscle contraction and recovery. For the best results, choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt without added sugar. You can naturally sweeten it with berries, honey, or nuts to boost your protein intake even further. Try to enjoy it 3 to 4 times a week, especially in the evening, to nourish your muscles as you sleep. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3s for muscle preservation. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are not only great for your heart but also for your muscles. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic inflammation is one of the main contributors to muscle breakdown as we age. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help preserve muscle strength and recovery. Fatty fish also help your body become more responsive to protein, a huge advantage for seniors who need more protein to maintain muscle mass. Just one serving of salmon, about 4 ounces, contains over 20 grams of complete protein, plus essential nutrients like vitamin D, which many older adults are deficient in. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week, choosing wild-caught options for the best health benefits. If you don't like fish or can't eat it often, a high-quality fish oil supplement is a good alternative, though whole foods are always superior. 3. Eggs, the complete protein source. Eggs are one of the most underrated foods when it comes to preserving muscle strength. Each egg contains approximately 6 grams of high-quality complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids your muscles need to grow and repair. What many don't realize is that half of that protein is found in the yolk, along with important nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and leucine. Leucine is particularly important because it triggers muscle growth. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein, but the leucine in eggs helps override that resistance, signaling your body to rebuild muscle rather than break it down. Eggs are easy to prepare in a variety of ways, such as scrambled, boiled, or even added to salads. They require little effort, yet deliver a big nutritional punch. Studies have shown that consuming up to 2 eggs per day is safe for most people and can even improve cholesterol profiles. 4. Nuts and seeds, nutrient-dense powerhouses. Nuts and seeds are not only tasty but incredibly beneficial for your muscles. Though they don't contain as much protein as eggs or fish, they are packed with healthy fats, minerals, and antioxidants that help keep muscles strong and joints flexible. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds, in particular, are excellent choices for seniors. Almonds provide magnesium, which supports muscle contractions and helps prevent cramps, a common issue for older adults. Walnuts are rich in plant-based omega-3s, which help reduce chronic inflammation, a major factor in muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc, which supports testosterone production, a hormone crucial for muscle maintenance. Enjoy about 1 to 2 ounces of nuts or seeds each day, but be mindful of portion sizes since they're calorie-dense. You can mix them into your morning oatmeal, toss them in salads, or simply enjoy them as a snack. 5. Beans and legumes, budget-friendly muscle protectors. Beans and legumes, such as black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are often overlooked but are incredibly valuable for muscle maintenance. These foods are rich in plant protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium, all critical for muscle function. Beans are also an excellent source of resistant starch, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, reducing inflammation and promoting muscle health. Research shows that seniors who regularly eat legumes have better muscle retention over 5 years compared to those who rarely include them in their diets. Adding beans to soups, salads, or grain bowls is an easy way to incorporate more muscle-preserving nutrients into your meals. 6. Leafy greens, natural muscle boosters. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are loaded with nutrients that support muscle health. These greens contain natural nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide improves blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles while helping remove waste products. Better circulation means faster muscle recovery and stronger muscles. Leafy greens are also rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium, electrolytes that help prevent muscle cramps and support healthy muscle contractions. Aim to consume at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily, whether blended into smoothies, sautéed with olive oil, or added to soups and omelets. 7. Olive oil, a healthy fat for aging muscles. Extra virgin olive oil is a quiet hero when it comes to muscle preservation in older adults. This healthy fat contains compounds like oleocanthal, which reduce chronic inflammation that contributes to muscle breakdown. Olive oil also improves insulin sensitivity, helping your muscles better respond to protein. In addition, the monounsaturated fats in olive oil support hormone production, including testosterone, which plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass. Studies have shown that seniors who consume olive oil daily experience better muscle strength and lower rates of frailty compared to those on low-fat diets. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil each day, drizzling it over steamed vegetables, adding it to salad dressings, or incorporating it into your cooking. 8. Berries, antioxidant-rich muscle protectors. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are packed with antioxidants that protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. As we age, our bodies produce more free radicals, which can damage muscle fibers and contribute to muscle breakdown. The antioxidants in berries neutralize these free radicals, helping preserve muscle strength and recovery. Berries also reduce inflammation and support collagen production, which keeps the connective tissue around your muscles strong and flexible. A study from Tufts University found that seniors who regularly ate blueberries had better muscle function and recovery than those who didn't. Aim for a cup of mixed berries daily, either fresh or frozen, and incorporate them into smoothies, yogurt, or just enjoy them on their own. 9. Lean beef, a nutrient-dense muscle builder. Lean beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein, delivering around 25 grams of protein per 4-ounce serving. It's also rich in leucine, an amino acid that stimulates muscle growth, and creatine, which helps your muscles access energy during physical activity. Lean beef also provides essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins, which are vital for energy production and muscle repair. For the best results, choose lean cuts like sirloin or tenderloin, and enjoy 2 to 3 servings per week. 10. Whey protein, the ultimate muscle support. Whey protein is one of the most effective supplements for reversing muscle loss after 60. It's quickly absorbed by the body and contains a high concentration of leucine, which is crucial for muscle growth. Whey protein also contains bioactive peptides that improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and enhance insulin sensitivity, all of which are vital for maintaining muscle health. Seniors who consume whey protein daily see significant improvements in strength, balance, and mobility, especially when combined with resistance exercises. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of whey protein per day, ideally after physical activity or as a snack. Muscle loss doesn't have to be a part of aging. By incorporating these 10 foods into your diet, you can protect and even rebuild your muscle strength as you age. From Greek yogurt to fatty fish, eggs, nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and more, these foods provide your muscles with the nutrients they need to stay strong and resilient. Which of these foods will you start with today? Every small change counts, and together, these foods can help you maintain the strength and independence you deserve. Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue the conversation on how we can stay strong and healthy as we age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay strong, stay independent, and keep living life to the fullest.